unbox it.
Good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. So guys, nakakasib tayo ng Happy Father's Day giveaway from the Abida Ayala. After the gupit, guys, we received the gift. We need to unbox now. Anong inside nito? Anong laman inside? Dalawa, may like a ballpen. Tulaan ko to, mukhang ballpen to o pencil. Nakahirapan pa nila to.
What's that?
Ano ba to? Ballpen siguro to, guys.
I
Ballpen.
think that's a steer.
Uy, straw.
Yeah. Oh.
Now, what is this? Mug?
It's a mug.
Milk tea mug. Oh. Ano bang tawag dito?
Nice.
Why there is inside? What is that? How to open this one? There is can opener.
Can
What?
open.
Can opener or no this
Can open.
bottle ano to? Cut.
I think ilalagay mo yung straw. Ilalagay mo yung straw.
Straw.
Doon, sa butas.
Like
Buksan mo yung butas. Hindi. Ayun mo.
Ito.
Makikita ko yan sa live sa'yo.
Yan.
Ito.
The other one.
This one.
My God.
Like this. Like this,
Yeah. Thanks, Abida.
Thank you, Abida, for your compliment.
Okay.